This video marks the beginning of our 2-week fall van trip around Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. First stop, City of Rocks National Reserve. We're Kristen, Jameson, and Maddie. We live in our motorhome full-time, and we vacation in our camper van. We're excited to take you with us. City of Rocks is located in Idaho, just 2 miles north of the Utah border. It was a climbing destination for us, but we also learned of the historical significance of the California Trail, which passes through the city. Much like the Oregon Trail, this westward route was established by a handful of fur trappers in the early 1800s and then became flooded with gold seekers after gold was first discovered in California in 1848. First night in the city, we had rain, so we stayed in the van for dinner and got to test out our new Lagoon swivel arm and table mount. It's basically a fully adjustable arm that twists and folds into any height and position. We installed it as a laptop station that doubles as an indoor dining table. We'll put the link in the description.
Hello, welcome to City of Rocks. We are here on a Sunday morning as we pulled in on Friday, and we did not have a plan. We tried to reserve somewhere, but all of the sites were taken. I think there's in the upper 60s of sites, and they're all reserved. They have a few first come, first serve, and on a Friday afternoon at like 2, we were lucky enough to get one, site 27, which was awesome. It was in the middle of traffic a little bit, but it worked.
It was the site.
Yeah. So it's been beautiful here. It's so amazing. The smoke's been a little bad, but it's had its moments. The rain has cleared it out, and it's been quite beautiful.
And while we were at our first come, first serve site the first day, a really cool family that comes back here every year let us know that they were going to be leaving a night early. So we got to move over here to this site, which is actually site 29. And if you're coming to City of Rocks in southern Idaho, so the sites are in clusters, and so this is 28, 29, and 30, and the family rents out the whole cluster every year. So we have the whole thing to ourselves tonight, and it's been really great. This is a internationally known rock climbing destination with climbs of all types for all levels of climbers, and we got up to some climbing yesterday, and it was busy, so we didn't shoot any video. Sorry. But we're getting ready to hit the road this afternoon, and we'll take you with us.
Yep.
Camp Rock is a large collection of emigrant signatures left by those who wished to mark their passage on the California Trail. rocks are covered as far up as one can reach or climb with names of emigrants. We left ours with date in a conspicuous place for the boys behind. We saw the names of some of our acquaintances who passed here 2 years ago. Eliza Ann Macaulay, dated 1852. Shoshonean tribes and their ancestors used the rocks for communication. By combining minerals, animal fat, and plant dye, they created pigments that were used to paint pictographs. These were used to tell stories, depict rituals, record visions, and show territory. Emigrants continued this practice by using axle grease to leave their own messages. Today, we leave digital messages through social media, such as selfies, photos, and blogs. We do it for the same reasons the Shoshoneans and the emigrants did, to share that we are here, that the place matters, and that our lives are connected to places, people, and time. What was that?
Welcome to Idaho.
We just happened upon a cattle drive in the middle of the road. You can't really see it.
Oh, you sure about that?
Oh, they're making a left. She says to go.
Scar up their stops.
I know, I wish I had the mic. He's a defector over there. He's not doing it.